लाइन में खड़ा रहना किसे पसंद है यार? I for one hate it. अब हर कोई अमिताभ बच्चन तो है नहीं कि कह दे हम जहां खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू हो जाती है. हाय हाय हाय. But before anybody turns into an angry young man or an angry young woman, Shyam better do something about this bike.
वहाँ पे खड़ा कर दिए और अंदर शॉपिंग के लिए गए, किधर गया तो पता नहीं, वहाँ पे पार्किंग करके.
अच्छा ठीक है. Clearly the employee did not want to take a chance of going and informing her. So being the manager for the day, I had to take that initiative. Andar hai. So we have one customer who has gone on a shopping spree inside that in and out.
The case of a missing woman lands in Shyam's lap. He goes in, but will he come out with the scooty owner?
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you by any chance have the scooty 1418 YT? I guess like you've kept it over there. If you don't mind, can you just park it on a sideway? There are other vehicles which are waiting. Thank you. Needless to say, ladies, when they go shopping, they forget the world. But I had to bring her back to reality. Can you just make it a bit fast? Abhi वापस आएगा वो. अच्छा ठीक, कोई बात नहीं. आप यहाँ वहाँ रख के आप चली जाइए, please. Yeah. I went and asked her gently. Luckily, she was very pleasant and she apologized instantly and did the needful. Sorry guys, I mean like sorry for keeping them on hold. Ma'am, can you make it a bit faster? Could just park it over there and then go to complete your purchase. Be careful. Thankfully, we've just got her. We've been managed to get her out and hopefully she should go back to collect her things. Managing customers was not only about ensuring the flow happened properly. It was also about handling delicate customer sentiments. There was this group of teenagers who loved hip-hop and they were playing the music to full blast. Excuse me. Too loud and it's there's nothing wrong with it. Just a request, that's it.
The youngsters don't seem too keen to oblige.
Well, you don't see, but I hear. I could do nothing to at this point in time. I just had to go and request them. They were not violating any law and they had their right to enjoy the music. So I had to gently plead with them to either reduce the volume or to pull up the windows. The request, and it would be really great if you could kind of oblige. Thank you. To add to that, they were not wearing seat belts, which clearly was against the law and which I made it a point to enforce upon them. And seat belt please, request.
The young driver of the car steps out with his mobile, much to Shyam's surprise.
Excuse me. Mobiles.
You got a problem with everything?
No, I've got a problem with this because that poses a problem for the safety.
I
So
can't see
help
anybody else having a problem with it except you.
No, the government has a problem with you using a mobile phone.
I've got an emergency call.
If you don't mind, could you attend it over there? Because it's a safety issue. I mean, it's
2 minutes. I've got an emergency call. 2 minutes.
Shyam waits patiently, but the youngster shows no sign of hanging up.
Excuse me.
I just asked you for 2 minutes.
It's fine. If you could take it over there, it's a safety issue. It is a safety issue. It's combustible.
Shyam manages to convince the youngster to continue his conversation a little away from the pump.
It would be ideally I would want you to go outside the pump, but since you said it's an emergency call, I would request you to be farther from the location of
as far as possible.
Shyam walks back to his post just to find the youngsters back to where they'd started, playing loud music.
We have it, it's getting home. Now can I get that lap dance? She's got a tattoo of me right up on her ass, man. In the streets of Warren, Michigan, we call them trans.
I guess these are the small issues which we kind of anticipate, which we unanticipated issues which come, and I'll have to handle it as it comes along. Towards the evening, there was this tanker which came from BPCL to refuel the storage tanks which are kept on the underground of the petrol pump. Hello, sir ji, tanker has come for refueling. Shall we just see? I've never seen a refueling, so shall we just go and have a look at it?
First, the driver job is to bring the cash memo to me.
Okay.
We check the name of our company, whether it's on our name.
Okay.
That is Guru Nanak Automobile. Now my supervisor will
Go up and
go up, check the dips, and he will follow the other direction of the.
okay.
ये जो है वाटर टेस्टिंग पेस्ट है।
ठीक है।
ये बिल्कुल पानी नहीं है इसमें। अभी आप बताएंगे पानी होएगा तो कैसे होएगा, है ना? तो पानी का जारी लेगा।
That was the first time when I realized or understood the chemistry part of the entire or petrol business, as I would say it.
ये क्या? पानी है। मैं डाल दिया अंदर।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
जरा पानी रहेगा तो पूरा पिंक हो जाएगा।
The calibration is different for different types of fuel. So there was this petrol, there was high-speed diesel, and there was speed petrol. यहाँ ऊपर तो काम जो भी है खत्म हुआ क्या? ठीक है, ठीक है,
अभी नीचे को आपको डेंसिटी चेक करता हूँ।
ठीक है। I'm like extremely paranoid now. Yeah? Yeah, I'm extremely scared of heights. Now is the scariest part. How am I going to get down?
They say it's lonely at the top, and if you have vertigo, it's scary too. Shyam takes a while, and then, just like his personality, he is finally down to earth and ready to carry on with his assignment.
अभी हम डेंसिटी की चेक कर रहे हैं कि क्या डेंसिटी है इस पेट्रोल के लिए। Interestingly, the temperature and density is not only to verify the purity, it's also a means to check the safety for it to be delivered to the end customer. That was a huge eye-opener for me.
After verifying the density, if it is correct, then the product will be discharged into individual underground tank.
Okay, okay.
We see that driver and cleaner do not fit the wrong pipe to the wrong. So that is very important.
Okay.
Once the product is discharged into wrong, your whole
Tank gets corrupted.
whole the mix-up takes place, and you have losses of lakhs of rupees.
Okay, okay, okay.
You have to stand here, see that the cleaner and driver has fixed the right pipeline to the right underground tank.
Okay,
Very important.
Okay. It was not just about ensuring the entire tanker gets filled into the tank which was placed in the underground. It was much more than that. It was much more complicated than that.
अभी ये देख लीजिए, ये जो डीजल का पाइप है, डीजल
का पाइप है
ये देख लीजिए, इसमें लिखा ब्लू कलर।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
दिस कलर इज ब्लू।
अच्छा, ठीक
ये डीजल अभी देख लीजिए, पाइप लगा दिया।
Tests and verifications done. It's time to fill up the mothership that fuels us all, the petrol pump.
ओके, ये तो खत्म होगा ना, ये तो 1 घंटा लगेगा ये सारे अनलोड करने के लिए। उसके बाद ये चले जाएगा, हम तो ये तो वो बिल रिसीव करेंगे, हम अकाउंट करेंगे। हाँ, ठीक है। I have seen many a time of tankers fueling the underground tanks, but I never realized the intensity and the complications which go behind this entire activity.
पीछे कुछ हंगामा हो गया, आप आगे गया
क्या?
पीछे कुछ हंगामा हो गया, पीछे जाके देख लो क्या करना है।
कहाँ पे? एक मिनट भाई साहब। कहाँ पे भाई साहब? सर्विस टैंक पे। अच्छा ठीक है।
सुबह 10 बजे दिया, आपको भी पता है। आप क्या बोला मेरे को 2 घंटे में हो जाएगा?
सब बरोबर है, लेकिन एक फेज का लाइट नहीं है हमारे, करंट नहीं था
तो फोन करते वक्त आप तब बोलना चाहिए ना। अभी मैं इधर 1 घंटा वेट करूँ?
Can you just tell me what exactly is the problem?
You're going to solve the problem. See, I gave my car 10 o'clock in the morning
Okay.
for a wash, for a complete wash.
Okay.
He said it'll be done in 2 hours.
Okay.
I asked for 1 hour, he said 2 hours. I said okay.
Okay.
Fine, I don't have a problem with that.
Okay.
I go, get my things done, and I told him I'll be back by noon, and I
Okay.
need the car by 3 sharp.
Okay.
I'm back by, what's the time now? 3:30? 4 o'clock. अभी तक गाड़ी जैसे जोड़े वैसे ही पड़ा है।
Near about 45
तो
minutes. So why
इसका
we have
कॉम्पनसेशन
not-
मेरे को क्या मिलेगा वो बताओ। फ्री में करके देगा, मेरा भी नुकसान हो रहा है ना।
Problems don't seem to stop for Shyam. The secret is to solve one, move on to resolve the next without letting the situation get the better of you. Let's see how quickly Shyam gets out of one problem so he can move on to another.
What your point is, it has not been done. We agree that it has not been done.
My time is wasted. That's my biggest
Very
point.
true, very true. The only thing that we can do at this point in time is we can finish the task for you.
Finish the I'm not paying for it.
Which city does Shyam Prasad currently reside in? A. Chennai. B. Bhopal. SMS your answer to 59995 or log on to www.utvmoney.com/the assignment. Which petrol pump is Shyam Prasad assigned to? A. Guru Nanak. B. Hari Om. SMS your answer to 59995 or log on to www.utvmoney.com/the assignment. जो भी सीजन के एंड तक सबसे ज्यादा करेक्ट आंसर्स भेजेगा उसे मिलेगा एक LCD टेलीविजन।